elders and respectable elders, I recited some ayat of Surah Al-Muminoon. And regarding this surah, especially beginning ayats of Surah Al-Muminun, Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu and Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal rahimahullah, he quoted this hadith in his book. And the narrator is Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu. He said, when these ayat were revealed, Rasul sallallahu alayhi wasallam said to Sahaba that, listen, these are the ayats. If you practice, if you learn and you practice, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make you to enter Jannah. So now, quickly I will be reading, I will be explaining these ayats. Basically, these are qualities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the qualities. And while I am explaining, this is the time of the acceptance of our du'as. Imam Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah says there are 6 special timings for acceptance of du'as. And one of the time on the Jummah day when Imam comes on mimbar. This is the time. So while I am explaining these qualities, we can ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh Allah, I am in your house. You made me to come. Jazakallah. So Ya Allah, please bring these ayat in my life. Because keep in mind, there are so much knowledge in the world, but very less practice. And keep in mind, these ayats are regarding huququllah and huququl ibad. Rights of Allah and rights of His creation. And Imam Nawawi rahimahullah, he said, who is the complete believer? And then he explained, he gave the definition. Who is the complete believer? Who fulfills the right of Allah and who fulfills the right of makhluk as well. Because we notice in our daily life, some people, they are very generous, mashallah. They help others. But their own ibadat, very weak. 5 times salat. They can donate in the entire world, but brother is missing in Aisha Salat, and I have doubt he's not praying at home either. So there are kind of people, different kind of people. And also you might find those people who pray 5 times Salat, and not only 5 times Salat, Ishraq, Awabin, Tahiyatul Masjid, Salatul Tasbih. You know, sometime when in Fajr Salat, they request me, can I stay behind? I want to pray Ishraq. I feel so good about that brother. And I said, wow, mashallah, look, this is the inclination towards ibadat. Can I stay? Because keep in mind, Fajr Salat is 6:45 and almost 8 o'clock is sunrise. And after 10 minutes, he has to perform. So almost more than 1 hour he has to wait. And I say, can I wait? Can I stay behind? So there are so many people, they are good in ibadat. But that part, akhlaq, generosity, big time missing in their life. This is the ground reality.